Hi and welcome to Linux and Enter5. Today we're going to be talking about Memcached and the use of it with Python. So real quickly, Memcached is a service that allows you to store key values or keys and values in memory for a set amount of time. It allows you to speed up applications that are sometimes dependent on network resources such as database queries, just for example. That's actually what we're going to be using it for today. We have another server that's running PostgreSQL right here. It's a cars database. If I run select star from models, it's just company name and country. We're going to be using a Python script that goes out and pulls the list of cars or company names based on country. And to use that, we're using Memcached. And we'll run Memcached, for example, -u root. This is how you start the daemon. It's going to run in the background, which I'll specify with this. So once I hit enter, it's going to show the PID, and now it's running in the background, ready to accept values. It's pretty lightweight. Now if I run nc localhost 112.1.1, that's the port this is the default port that it runs on. If I hit enter, I can run commands such as stats, and if I know key values, I can run get and then value, and that'll pull back the name. Or I'm sorry, get, it'd be get key, it'll pull the value out. So if I go into view, this is the main Python script I wrote. It's fairly simple. It uses the last argument for the country. It writes a query to select the company models or the company names based on country. Then it checks the caching memory to see if it's in there. If it's not, then it goes out and connects, and then it prints it and then caches it. Or else it'll actually print the cache results. If it is cached, of course, it's going to print the results, and it's not going to connect to the database or anything like that. On the other side of it, we have the cache module that I wrote. It's fairly simple as well. It's you just specify the memory server, the ports, the default port, and then time to live, and use this argument to or this line to actually connect to the server and get it all set up. I'll post the code in the comments, so there's no big deal to actually take note of this. This is the module or part that actually gets the results. All it does is MD5s the query, and that's what it uses for the key, and then it stores the value, of course, for the results. So anytime you run a query and you want to check to see if it's in memory, you just pass it into this module. It's going to MD5 it, and then if it's in there, it'll return the results. It's pretty simple. And the set results is it's actually even easier. You just put the query and then the result that you had, and then that'll set it. And it'll use the default timeout that you specify in this value, which is 30 seconds. So let's just see it in action real quick. So obviously if I do views and then Germany, it's going to pull back the Germany results. That's not really fun because look how fast these results are. And as you can see, the second time I did it, cache results, it's already cached. Let's jump over here and let me exit out of here. Come on. And if I exit, go back to the root prompt, and I should be able to run this command. It's actually called netum. It lets me simulate network load or simulate a delay. We'll do a 400 millisecond delay. It's already working. And if I do view on Germany again, it's going to actually take some time to pull back the data. But as you can see, if I run it again, instant. And it's actually very simple. So yeah, I don't really know if there's anything else. Memcached is dead simple. There's not really anything else to it. There's tons of plugins for it. Plugins for Perl, Ruby, Python, C, everything like that. And I think it's really helped out a lot, actually. I hope it'll help you too. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll post the code in the comments. That should be it. Thank you for watching.